Ever wondered what happens to those juicy dividends your stocks spit out? Do they magically transform into more shares, or do they just chill in your account, waiting for you to decide what to do with them? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Questrade and figuring out if this popular brokerage has your back when it comes to reinvesting those dividend dollars. Let's talk dividends. These little cash injections are like mini celebrations of your investment prowess. But what's the best way to handle them? Some folks like to splurge on avocado toast, while others prefer to let it ride and reinvest for potential growth. If you're in the latter camp, a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, is your golden ticket to compound growth. But does Questrade offer this magical feature? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Let's break it down. First off, what exactly is a DRIP? It's basically an automated system that takes your dividends and uses them to buy more shares of the same company. It's like having a tiny, money-making robot working for you 24/7. No need to lift a finger, and over time, you can watch your holdings grow. Now, back to Questrade. While they don't have a built-in, one-click DRIP feature like some other brokerages, fear not, dividend lovers. You can still absolutely reinvest your dividends. It just requires a little extra effort. Think of it like this: Questrade is more like a DIY enthusiast when it comes to DRIPs. They give you the tools, but you're the one in charge of building the masterpiece. When your dividend hits your account, you'll need to manually place a buy order for more shares of the same company. It's not as convenient as a one-click DRIP, but it does give you flexibility. But wait, there's more. Even though Questrade doesn't have a flashy DRIP button, they do offer something pretty cool called a cash account. This little gem can be a game changer for dividend reinvesting. Basically, your dividends get deposited into this account, and you can then use the funds to buy any eligible security. It's like having a personal dividend vault. So, while Questrade might not hold your hand through the entire DRIP process, they definitely provide the tools to make it happen. It's all about taking control of your investments and deciding how you want to grow your wealth. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of DIY DRIPs versus automated DRIPs. On one hand, having full control over your investments can be empowering. You can decide when to buy, how many shares to buy, and even switch things up if you feel like it. But on the other hand, manually reinvesting can be time-consuming and might lead to missed opportunities if you forget to place an order. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your investing style and goals. If you're a hands-on investor who enjoys tinkering with your portfolio, then a DIY DRIP with Questrade might be perfect for you. But if you prefer a more set-it-and-forget-it approach, you might want to consider a brokerage with a built-in DRIP feature. Before we wrap up, let's talk about costs. Questrade generally has pretty competitive commission fees, but it's always a good idea to check their fee schedule for any potential charges related to dividend reinvestment. You don't want any nasty surprises eating into your hard-earned dividends. So, there you have it. Questrade might not have a fully automated DRIP, but it definitely offers the tools and flexibility to make dividend reinvesting a reality. It's up to you to decide if the DIY approach is the right fit for your investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.